top headlines for the day.
So aren't we in the throes of sequels this year yet again? Yet with a lot on floors, the sequel to Julie, the 2004 Neha Dhupia film, is up on its first look. For all those who know, Julie is a hot, bold and sensual movie which really is up for a lot of interest quotient. Well, the first look of Julie 2 is out, and boy, ain't the South Indian siren Rai Lakshmi looking bold and beautiful. As for the look, yeah, with a thin cloth around her, Rai certainly is a notch up Neha, who herself had sizzled on screen. Well, Rai is sensuous, sexy and blazing hot and has boldly shared the first look with all glam sham. The prequel had Deepak Shivdasani as the director, and with this kind of first look, certainly this is also gonna be a scorcher. Rai had tasted her first success with this look. Let us see where she takes it from here, Henna. The first hot pick from Ram Gopal Varma's single X is out, and it is here for all to see what is in and what is out in terms of RGV quotients. Yeah, don't we remember his quirky films which really did not go well with the masses? Well, now this upcoming flick, Single X, is in itself a potpourri of all the Triple X put together. Yes, it is hot, it is sizzling and it is sensuous. With a lot of sleaze and flesh show, we wonder what RGV is up to now. After the brash Sholay take and now this on the sex front, we hope it goes the right way and does not fall flat like the rest of them. But does Ram Gopal Varma care? Nah, he keeps churning what suits his desires, and mine so have a closer look at this unique Single X in the market. Salman Khan's marital status is always under the scrutiny by media and fans, and now he has added more spice to this hot topic. Salman Khan in a video has said that he's scared of being single. The star, who's not admitted any of his affairs from the past 2 decades, is talking about how he's scared of being single. Sultan's actor Salman confessed this in a video message to Sonam Kapoor while promoting her film Neerja, where the actor revealed he's scared of being alone. This must have excited all his fans that the actor will soon be tying the knot with his elite girlfriend Yulia, but that is not the case. In the video, he was teasing all his fans and even the media who's waiting to catch on Salman getting hitched. He wants to continue living in this fair, and getting hitched is not on the list of his to-dos. Well, it is ironical that SRK, the king of Bollywood, is actually facing attacks in the name of God and intolerance. Yes, the Rai star is busy in Ahmedabad, and the fact that he's playing the role of a Gujarati Don is only unreal. The real life is that he's just being treated in the worst manner, with the miscreants attacking his car while he was on the shoot in Ahmedabad. What triggers the right-wing activists to take up arms against a public figure who himself has a wife of their own religion beats the intelligentsia. Gauri Khan and Shah Rukh are public figures who've inspired so many to learn how to have a religious living in Shadi, and when this Dilwala is attacked, it hurts. And the Rai star is just facing the burn for one statement on intolerance. Why does he have to go through it when he has thought no wrong, done no wrong and said nothing wrong is the question. He's truly a Rais Dilwala, and we wait to see what he has to say about all this. We all do know that Salman is busy with his preparations for his muscle-flexing Sultan. Don't we know how dedicated he is when it comes to his flicks, and thus he chose Anushka above all to be his heroine for the same. Well, she sure has the spunk and aggression to carry it out well. And for those who are on the lookout for the fresh look from the film, well, here it is for all Salman and Anushka fans. The shade and shady of Punjab together. Anushka has been training for the flick in her own way and has truly risen in the expectation of the masses. As for those who live to follow Bhai, well, they are truly in a great combo of beauty and brawn, Henna. Knowing how well Salman takes care of his girls, we know Anushka is under good hands, and with a mentor like Sallu for the flick, we are sure she would rise above the rest well. As for now, enjoy the pic and stay tuned for more.